Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to Jasmy. Oh my gosh, Jasmy is trading at 42. We went all the way down to 38 yesterday. All the technical targets are still coming in play, and we're looking for Jasmy to go all the way down to 0.01953. 1953. I told you that's a technical target, and I don't know where the trolls were. I had a lot of trolls when I said about this, pattern right here, which is known as a bearish rectangle pattern on the weekly time frame. I'm just going to show you the weekly time frame again. So here we are with the weekly time frame at the moment. Jasmy was making funny patterns, and it actually did play out. So you went all the way down like this, move sideways, looking to drop from there to there. I told you the technical target is going to be 1953. I'm not going to stress enough, but just want to look at the smaller time frame to see if there's any continuation patterns, and you do have more targets to come to the downside. Now, first of all, you made 3 red candles, 3 black rows. Every coin has done this, and it seems like they've been a print of a bear flag. And I just want to zoom in a little bit on the 1 hour time frame so they can see clearly. Some people have some problem and issues on the phone to see clearly, and we're trading at 42,269. So from there to there, that's going to be a flag, and the technical target of the flag is still pending, and you're going to see from the top to the bottom right there, that's going to be a price level, a price drop coming in for Jasmy, and you're looking for Jasmy to come down to 3482. So that's going to be a dump or a drop from there to there. That's going to be 18% move to the downside. And if you guys want to learn how to trade, I always say this in my videos, that take this course, come on YouTube, message me on YouTube, sorry, not YouTube, but message me on Twitter, and this is gonna be my Twitter handle, AdamCoins_, and you can always message me to Pay with Crypto if you want to learn how I do all of these things. Because come on guys, I've saved a lot of people. I've given you this target, it's about to be met, and I've saved people until for now. I've saved 19% of the drop, not even 19%, but I think I've saved like a lot of lives ever since back. I've been doing these videos for like 6 months now, and I've saved people from all that drops. Even I saved people from these drops right there, from that drop right here. Don't depend on YouTubers. Learn how to trade the way I do it. Okay, this is not a promotional to get you, but it's some real shit going on up there. And that's pretty much it for this Jasmy. Thank you so much for watching the videos. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.